In this video, we're going to talk about the best file type to choose for making custom printed stickers. And then we're going to walk through the different types, PNG, JPEG, and PDF, and which is best. Okay, so now we're going to design our sticker files. We're going to go to canva.com and you're going to need to create an account or sign in with your email. We have separate tutorials of that on our YouTube channel in depth, but we're going to come to this custom size and create new. We are going to type in the custom dimension. So this is going to be an 8.5 by 11 inch, not pixel, but inch design, because this is the standard size for printing, like with our printable vinyl by Royal Element. So that is the dimension here. We're going to hit create new design. And now we're going to pull up a sheet that looks like this. We're going to look for, in the Elements tab, a cute animal, okay? So we can select the graphics here. You can look at photos and other things, but we're going to see all. And you want to pay attention to this little crown. If it says Pro, that means you need a paid subscription. I believe it's between $10 and $15 per month, but we're going to assume you don't have that. And we're going to select an image that does not require a Pro subscription. So we're going to go with this little lion here. And so we're going to name this lion, okay? So we're going to save this as 3 different file types. And to do that, one at a time, we're going to hit the share button. And then we're going to hit down here, download, okay? So it's going to pull up the file type automatically suggested as PNG. That's what we're going to usually want to print with. It tends to be higher resolution, sharper, crisper images. However, it's a larger file size. So for printing, this would be good, but maybe for uploading an image to, let's say, your website, that might slow things down. So size is good. We're not going to edit any of these other things here. We're just going to hit download. Okay, so download, we have lion, and there we go. It is a PNG file. So we're going to open it up, check it out. Yep, that's exactly what we want. So we're going to now go ahead and create a new copy. So file, make a copy, select that, and it's going to be the exact same. Okay, but this time we are going to hit share, download, and we want to change this, right? We want to see how a PNG file looks. So hit PNG, hit download, and then we are going to download that. So comparing these side by side, there seems to be little to no change, okay? Printing, we're going to see a different result, most likely, if we get it up close with the camera in the end. But we have PNG on the left-hand side and JPEG on the right. So one more time, we're going to come over here to File, and we're going to make a copy. Okay, and then for this copy, we are going to hit share and then download here. And we're going to change it once again to PDF print. Now, if you notice, it says best for printing. We don't know that for a fact, especially if we're going to use a specific type of printable vinyl, maybe glossy, matte, or even clear. It might give us a different result. So hit download, and then now we are downloading our PDF file, and we're going to open that of our lion. All right, so the printer we'll be using is an HP Color LaserJet Pro. It is a laser printer, and we're going to first remove that regular copy paper. Every printer is different, but we're going to use our Royal Elements glossy printable vinyl. So you can choose really anything, but you're going to want to choose one sheet to print at a time. And you're going to stick that in the tray with the printable side up in this case. Okay, so here's our printed file, our PNG file. And so what we're going to do is we're going to adjust these settings slightly. Coming all the way down to media and quality, we're going to select heavy glossy. So scroll down a bit and we see that heavy glossy because that's the type of paper you're using, and then we're going to select best for media and quality so that it prints a high quality photo. Now with that in there, the glossy printable vinyl, we are printing out the sheet, and this is how it turns out. Now this was JPEG. It looks crisp and high quality. So Coming next to the next file type, we're going to load another sheet of paper in here, another sheet of glossy printable vinyl, and we are going to select our file, which is JPEG, hit the print button, and then scroll down again, adjusting media and quality to heavy glossy, because this is heavy glossy printable vinyl. It's the same for each one of these, and then best for quality so that we get a high resolution print. So here is our JPEG printed out. You can notice a slight amount of streaks in the face. Could be because the ink was running low, or just could be because JPEGs aren't as good. So with PDF, this is the final printed file type. We're going to select glossy, heavy glossy for the media and quality, and we're going to select best for the print quality. With the glossy file type, this is going to make sure that our printer does not jam, and it knows like what thickness and how to print, and it's going to appear more crisp and high resolution. So here's a PDF. Again, we see some streaks in the face, which I did not notice with PNG. So from left to right, we have our first file printed, which was our PNG file. You can see that noted on the back. Nice and high quality. I always personally print with PNG. Every video I put out is with PNG files printed with our custom Royal Elements printable vinyl. And so with JPEG here in the middle, we can see that is noted there. Slight streaks in the face. Now, I don't know for certain if it is a file issue or a print issue, but I did notice that happened with that. And then also third and last, the PDF file type. I noticed that there were some slight streaks in the face as well. However, it's very difficult to tell. I would say go with the PNG file type. I've never had any issues. I've always seen the highest quality prints. It is a larger file, but it tends to print cleaner. So which is best? That's up to you. Hope this video helped.